Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto Crazy channel. Today I'm going to show my price target of VChain, one of my favorite crypto. This video is solely educational purposes. Don't take it as financial advice. Guys, please if you like my videos, please give thumbs up, write comments what you think about and please subscribe my channel to support me. Now come to the daily chart of VChain price. So currently VChain is doing very well and daily time frame and in daily time frame it seems like extremely bullish. If you look at this chart critically, you see price of VChain is from W pattern. So uh, it forms a very nice W pattern with like uh, so so to bottom so this is lower low and higher low and these two bottom are touching to the main support line and this kind of basically pattern basically puts means push the price to upwards and what we are going to see in very near future. So this is the neckline of the W pattern and you can see. So this is a neckline and once the price action basically breaks this neckline, so you will see some kind of like pattern like probably this, and you'll see some kind of retesting here the neckline and you'll see the big pump. So because the W pattern basically what it shows, the W pattern always shows that it pushes the price action to upward. So this is how basically the W patterns works. So you can see the multiple W patterns which are previously shown. So in every cases, in each cases you can see that in its the targets always like the high and the target of this W pattern, so always measure from the neckline to the bottom and from the breakout to the target. So in case of uh, this VChain price, the current VChain price also, so we can expect a upward direction and the price target for VChain would be like, so I make one another copy and you most probably you will see this this level. So this is basically the point 24 to 0.25 range. So uh, very near future or after a couple of days we will see the VChain. So big pump is coming for VChain, so be ready. And this is this um, neckline is very strong support line, because if you see so there are multiple touch points here, here, here and sorry, if you see and if I extend this line, so you probably see more touch line here and most probably here and also here. So there are multiple resistance and support are here. So this form very strong neckline support line for the vision price. So guys, when we'll have some breakout here in these positions, so we will see a big pump. So my price target is for the vision is 0.24 to 0.25 USD after a couple of days. So here you can see probably for next big pump, you will see after reaching here you will see some kind of retracement here. So here is you will see that there are multiple resistance lines are here. So and then you see another big pump in this position. So for the short term you will see that big pump from here and it will reach these price levels very soon. So if you like this video, please give thumbs up, write your comments, and please guys don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your support is highly appreciable to grow up the channel. Bye bye guys, we will meet next video.